And because God has given me the opportunity to be president at this point in time in our country, I will build on that foundation, continue to consolidate the nation of Kenya around issues, around programs, and to continue to build a country that leaves no person, no community, no region behind, that we can all move together, because I believe that is the will of God. And finally, this week I had a great revelation. I traveled to Korea, and I was informed that the last time there was a head of state from Kenya who visited Korea was 35 years ago. And history has it that at some point, Kenya actually made a contribution to support Korea. But today, I went there to seek the support of Korea for Kenya. And they were generous. And the revelation was, when I went after the official functions, we decided to go to church on a Wednesday. And in this church, I can see the people seated today in this church, the whole lot of us seated here, were probably maybe just a section of the choir. The church has 100,000 worshippers. And as I stood there, I was reminded that this is a country that Kenya was lending money 30 years ago. Today, it is the 10th largest economy in the world. And when I saw them sing, it came to my mind the words of Zechariah 4:6, where God was telling King Zerubbabel, it is not by might, and it is not by power. It is by my spirit, says the Lord. I want you, as Kenyans and as Christians, to trust God with me so that Kenya can be a different country in our lifetime. Because it is possible. Never mind, I know my deputy has said there is a bit of noise, but you know, this is, everybody is doing their job, I think. I think the opposition is doing their job. The executive, we will do our job. The judiciary will do their job. But as the Bible says, all works well for the good of those who trust in Jesus. I am sure that all these will work well. And we shouldn't forget that the building of the wall, by Nehemiah, was it? Continued even as Sanballat and Tobias were talking. So never mind Sanballat, never mind Tobias. Let us focus, and we will build the walls of our nation. Thank you very much for accommodating us and for welcoming us to this church. We look forward to forging and a working relationship with you as we together build the nation of Kenya. Allow me to request my wife, who is largely behind my success, to come and say something. Thank you very much.